Milo with D Studios Media here, and today I'm going to give you a quick tip on how to improve sound within your camera. A lot of people spend a lot of money on a fancy camera, but then they expect to use the in-camera sound. Yes, it will record sound, but it's not going to sound that great. For example, listen to how I'm sounding right now into the camera in front of me. What I would recommend you do is pick yourself up just a small directional microphone. You can get these pretty cheap for around like 30 or 40, or you can go a little bit higher in the 200s. That's around what this one cost. So there's multiple brands. This is by Rode. Shure is another good brand. There's other good brands out there as well. What you do is you attach it to the camera via the flash hot shoe on the top. You plug it into the camera, and now you're gonna get some nice, much better sound. And I'll show you what that sounds like right now. Now what I've done is I've attached the microphone to the camera. You can tell in comparison to what it sounded like earlier going directly into the camera. And today I'm going to give you a quick tip on how to improve sound within your camera. I do sound a little bit better than I did before. I'm going to show you one more tip how to get even a little bit better sound out of that, and that is with a little cable that you can buy at pretty much any electronics store. Now, as you can see from the wider camera, what I've done is I've taken that extension cable, ran it across a boom pole that I have laying around here in the studio, and I'm much closer to the microphone. The closer you can get the person's mouth to the microphone, the better quality sound you're gonna get. And it's fine if you don't have something fancy like this, you know, a coat rack or some kind of a stand that you have laying around you can use. You can even have a person holding this in their hand, and that will work just fine as well. So hopefully you found these tips useful. Get out there, make some videos, and have a good time.